Practice Manager has an enhanced tracking system that allows you to follow every movement of the patient throughout their visit, from checking in the patient to changing the patient's location to checking a patient out. Practice Manager allows these changes easily and automatically tracks all of these movements. The first step in tracking the patient's appointment, however, is to check them in. A patient can be checked in the Schedule Appointment tab or the Check-in Status tab. To check in a patient via the Schedule Appointment tab, click the Schedule Appointment tab, and then manipulate the calendar to find the patient's appointment you want to check in. Once the appointment has been located in the appointment grid, right-click that appointment and click Check In. You will notice that the appointment now has an I in parentheses to indicate that the patient is checked in. If a mistake was made, you can undo the check-in by right-clicking that appointment again and selecting Undo Check-in. Do note, however, any patient tracking information that was configured besides the check-in will be removed when this option is selected. To check in a patient via the Check-in Status tab, click the Check-in Status tab and then select the practice, schedule type, and modify the check-in date as needed. The appointments for that day will be displayed, and any configured check-in times, status or location, and location times will be displayed for those appointments. You have the ability to select on a specific status or location if needed by clicking the drop-down list arrow and selecting the status or location desired. To check in a patient, highlight the patient's appointment and then right-click the appointment and select Check-in in a similar manner as in the Schedule Appointment tab. Or, once highlighted, you can click the Check-in button. Once an appointment has been checked in, the Check-in column will display the check-in time. This column, along with the Location Time column, allows you to easily see how long a patient has been waiting in a particular location, as well as tracking how long from check-in to check-out an appointment lasted. As before, if a mistake was made, you can undo the check-in by right-clicking that appointment and selecting Undo Check-in. Do note, however, any patient tracking information that was configured besides the check-in will be removed when this option is selected.